All right, today my family wanted a crawfish ball, so I went to the market and got 3 pounds. Actually, I got 7 pounds of crawfish, live crawfish, and 3 pounds were dead. So I'm not going back to that market again. I got 7 pounds of crawfish and 3 pounds were dead. So that's unacceptable. I won't be going back to them again. But anyway, let's go on over here and show y'all what I already did. And if y'all ain't doing your crawfish boil with that Tampico, that citrus punch, I don't know what y'all using, man. We got 2 gallons of these Tampico. That's what I'm doing my crawfish boil with, y'all. Got some lemons out and cut up, some potatoes, some sausage. I put some garlic in there. So we already got it going. The ones that are live are lively, so we finna soak them, put that old spice on them, y'all. I purged them. Now let me get to the purging process. I've already purged these. I purged these about an hour ago, and I just use fresh water. I don't use any salt. And you know, you want that water. When I first started, that water was chocolate milk. And after 4 or 5 rinses, it came out clear. I'm just gonna fill it up and show y'all again. Better than the light. That's clear. Like I said, when I first started, it looked like some true in there. It looked like straight true, so it's clear now. So all I'm gonna do is pour this water out. Let these old fellas set up. And stop them because they'll try to come out. And they'll pinch the crap out of you too. Uh-oh. They'll pinch you. But you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Look at that. That's a one-man crawfish boil. That's a one-man crawfish boil. Little sink stream. Say, man, sometimes you just gotta laugh. Life's too short. You walk around mad all the time. You gotta laugh, y'all. All right, you're ready, y'all. Like I said, I'm just getting all of this soft. The potatoes gonna take the longest, so I got the potatoes in there and the sausage and the corn. Let that go, and I'll check back with y'all when I add the crawfish. All right. So I got some corn in there, some sausage, some lemon, and I got a spice bag in there. Spice bag, and I put some cayenne, some onion powder, garlic powder, a couple other things. Everything will be in the description below, what I put in here. And I also put some of that liquid crab boil in here. Let me see if I can find that. I put 3 tablespoons of this in there. The Xanaran's crab boil. Concentrated. You need a lot of this. Put some minced garlic in there. And some sausage. The sausage I use, been using for years, is Zumo's Party Times. You know, they make down there around Beaumont. And that's a good all-around sausage, let me tell you, y'all. It's a good all-around sausage. I put some lemon in there. And squeeze all the lemon juice out of there. Got the potatoes, cut them in half. Want them to soak up all of that juice. Let's go ahead and add the crawfish, y'all. They're ready. All right. I've added the shrimp. I've cut the heat off. And now I'm just letting it soak. I'm gonna let this soak for about 25 minutes. You can let it soak as long as you want to. Just remember, the longer you let it soak, the spicier it's gonna be. So it's up to you. I'm gonna let this soak for about 25 minutes. All right, everything is done, y'all. It's been soaking for about 25 minutes now. And you know, I've already been taste testing. It is fire. The soak is over, y'all. I've already been taste testing. I put jumbo shrimp in there and regular shrimp. And the sausage. And man, let me tell you, it is bucking. Like I said, if y'all ain't using that Tampico juice, man, I don't know what y'all doing. Yes, Lord. My wife and my daughter already came in and tasted it. In Crawfish. Oh yeah. Just the right amount of spice, y'all. But hey, if y'all like this kind of content, man, subscribe and follow me on YouTube. You get more content like this. Cooking, fishing, hunting, anything outdoors. That's what we do, man. We'd greatly appreciate it if you come along for the ride. Y'all can't see me, but trust me, it's good. I'm gonna get one coffee. Get one coffee. Buddy, that is hot. That's some good meat right there. Like, Trust me when I tell you that flavor was on point, y'all. Like I said, ingredients will be in the description below. Hey, until next time, this Key. I'll catch y'all later, man.